Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us in another hour series on learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPad. And we're doing advanced search today, and particular ordered search. Now, what's the use of ordered search? Let me tell you by demonstrating on how to use it in the app. First of all, I'm going to tap on, again, the little search magnifying glass, and I want to search for 3 words: God, loved, world, in that order. So how do I do that? Well, I'm going to type the first word, and then a space, and the little syntax operand is the double less than symbols, and then I'm going to type loved, and then again a space, and then 2 more double less than symbols, and then I'm going to type world. So you can see there I've got God, loved, world. In other words, those words must appear in that order. So let's tap search results here, and let's open up one of the results. And I should have in the order God, and then loved, and then world. Well, they're sort of in the best order that it can be done within the app. Let's go to the next result. And I have God, world, and here we go, God, love, world. I got that one. And we have here God and God, world, God, love, world. We do have a God, love, world there, but we have some little throw-in. So the search engine's doing the best that it can do. So that's a very brief advanced search tutorial on ordered searching of words in a particular order. So I hope that little tech tip, even though it's not perfect in our current engine, and that's the limitation of the SQLite database on the iPad, but we've done the best that we can do in finding the 3 words in that particular order. Thanks for joining us. Have a nice day now.